Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorials. This is the first tutorial of Java, and before starting developing any Java program we need three things, basically just two things to write the Java program and compile it. So first is the text editor. You can use the plain Notepad or you can use the latest version of Notepad++. I'm just going to use the Notepad++ because it is easier and it highlights the syntax, so will be convenient to write programs. And the second thing we need is the something called JDK, which stands for the Java Development Kit. So let's search for the JDK download in Google. The Google has written some links here. The first link is from oracle.com. Oracle is the company behind the Java, so click on the Java SE download. Java SE stands for the Java Standard Edition. There are variety of other editions here available here to download, but we are just going to download the latest version of Java Standard Edition. So let's just click on the download link here. It just redirected us to the download page. Here we need to accept the license term, and if you want to read the terms and conditions, then you can click on the link. I am not gonna do that. So here a lot of versions available. Mine is the Windows 64-bit, so I gonna download this one. Just click on the button here. Once you have downloaded and installed the JDK, you need to do something which is called setting environment variables. Let me open the command prompt here. So I am in the command prompt here, and let me type the command javac, which stands for Java compiler. With this command we gonna compile our Java files. So let's press enter. So it says that javac is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So the computer doesn't recognize the command javac. We need to set the environment variable. If you have downloaded and installed the Java JDK perfectly, then your Java folder will be in the program files and Java. Here is the JDK. It installed both JDK and JRE, which stands for Java Runtime Environment. So we need to focus right now on the JDK. Just open the JDK folder and then open the bin folder. Remember guys, this is very important. Just copy this address, this full address, which is the C program file /java /jdk/bin. Just copy it, and now we need to just open the properties of the my computer. Go to the advanced system setting here, and here is a button says environment variables. Just click on the button environment variables. Now we have some junk here. What we need to do here is create a new user variable for Jayesh, which is my computer name. So click on the new, give it the name of the variable. It is important guys, the name should be path, I think, and just paste the address of bin folder in variable value and click OK. Close all the windows by clicking OK, and again start the command prompt, Windows Art CMD, and now type javac, and it returns some junk here. Basically the thing is we have now just successfully installed the JDK and we can dig into the Java development. Thanks guys for watching, and for more video please subscribe to my channel. See you soon.